friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable desktop site in your Google Chrome. If you are watching any site and if you want a site to be more zoom out, you want desktop site mode in your mobile phone, how you can do that? So first you have to click on Chrome app, and here you have to go to settings option. Swipe down, you can see site settings. Swipe down, then you can see desktop site. If you have disabled this, then you have to click enable this, press back, and you have to just click on any one of articles like this. I show you, click on this, and friends, you can see the article, the website is in desktop site. And if you want in mobile site, then you have to click on then you have to just remove this by going to the settings option first. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.